I knocked one with the nades. I'm getting off.
You ready? Let's go.
Yeah, that's probably the squad that killed me. Thank you.
Will you go fight them?
Sure. Keep it low. They'll shoot us out of the sky. I knocked one with the nades. I'm getting off. In the water. Dead.
Did any of them have the heavy?
The people right there, right there.
Knocked one. Knocked one. Oh, okay.
Just standing still in the air.
They don't know how to drive
Broke his
it.
shield. Knocked one.
They don't know how to drive their heavy. I feel bad now. They don't know how to drive their heavy.
This guy's alive. Broke shield. One shot, one shot. Oh, I'm out of ammo. One shot. Knock. Who's alive down there? This dude's alive.
Oh,
Behind this rock, I think. Behind this rock. You guys are looting. I'm pretty sure this guy's behind here. What was that?
He's knocked.
He's knocked. Alright. Where'd our buddy go? He's down there? Ooh, I got footsteps on me.
Running.
There's one up
Matthew,
top
drink
with
it.
me. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm alive. There's one more up top. I can't even
I knocked
see
one?
these guys. Knocked one. I'm getting shot again. I can't see these guys. I need to get rezzed. I don't understand. They're getting all the rezzes. I got the elimination for one of them. Alright. Try the med kit.
Oh, I see the other people. They're running away from. They're like coming back to us. Oh damn.
Oh. See what you're saying. $126 on this guy. Oh, two different teams, my bad. Knocked one. I'm gonna die. I died again. Last med kit.
Where's Spider-Man at though?
I don't know. There's 4 enemies. Is it a whole squad or are they a bunch of solos?
I knocked both Spider-Man, but I had not.
Oh, that is so weak.
Ooh, nice shot.
First game on. Let's go.
Was that your first game? Damn. We've been trying all day.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.